Every time the market falls, you hear the same thing. Wait, it can fall more. This is not the bottom. But now you're hearing something else as well. Nifty 50 PE is less than 20, so this is a great time to invest. But is that really true? There are two sides to this coin. Therefore, watch till the end to make sense of this statement. First, let's look at the data. We analyzed 25 years of market history from 2000 to 2025 and asked one simple question. What happens when the Nifty PE falls below 20? In the last 25 years, it has happened 7 times. Out of those, 6 are completed cycles. Every single time this happened, the markets delivered positive returns in 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. Not even one single instance of a negative 3-year return. Friends, think about that for a second. Now let's quickly walk through the history. 2002 dot-com crash, 2008 global financial crisis, 2020 the COVID crisis. In between, in 2012, we had a policy paralysis issue. Different reasons, different fears. But the pattern was the same. When the fear was high, the valuations went low and future returns improved. During COVID, the markets gave a staggering 83% in 1 year. After the 2008 crisis, it was a staggering 76% in 1 year. So what's the pattern? The deeper the panic, the bigger the reward. When the PE went as low as 12, the 1-year return was almost 100%. When the PE was between 18 and 20, the 1-year returns were almost 30%. So yes, lower valuations, higher the probability of a greater reward. But now let's come to the present. This is the 7th time the Nifty has actually gone below PE of 20. Current PE as on the date of shooting this video was around 19.6. Friends, there is a very important nuance which most of us are actually missing out. In 2021, NSE changed the way PE was calculated. Earlier, it used standalone earnings. Now, it uses consolidated earnings, including subsidiaries, which means earnings reported went up and the PE dropped. So, today's PE is actually not comparable entirely with the historical values. In fact, if we adjust for this change in PE calculation regime, today's PE of around 1920 could translate to 23-24 PE using the older method, which means looking at today's numbers and saying markets are cheap when compared to the older numbers can give you a wrong sense of comfort. Because on a like-to-like basis, personally believe that markets are not that very cheap. So yes, valuations appear reasonable, but that does not rule out further pain. So this is where most investors are actually going wrong right now. So please do not fall for the PE is less than 20 narrative entirely. Nobody knows what happens next. Maybe they are right, the markets can go up, or maybe not. If you want a data-backed answer to investing in falling markets, please do watch the next video.